If you need to reset your password on Supabase, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Visit the Supabase login page. Go to the Supabase website and click on the login option. This will take you to the login page where you can find the password reset option. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from Supabase. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link in the email, which will direct you to a page where you can set a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it, then save the changes. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Supabase account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Supabase support for further assistance.